relaxing and show center right in front of each other. Father and son in aircraft that they built themselves. Flying the lead on the mission is Ken Reeder. Flying for 36 years. His son Austin started soloing in a glider at 14, soloed in a plane at 16, and Ken was his instructor. Ken was in the flight lead. Ken is his boss. As Austin says, "Here you now, Dad. I'm not sure which hat you have on. Sometimes when we talk, Dad, it seems a little authoritative, and that's the way this works." The lead pilot's mission is to fly the mission. The wingman or the wing flyer to stay on the wing. When they're opposing, again, Ken's job is to stay right on the line. Austin's job is to miss Dad. And they've got it all worked out. So let's just watch. And then I'll tell you more about the formation flying when they get hooked up again and they reconnect. In formation aerobatics is not easy to do. It's not like you can reach over and hit the brake pedal. You've got to adjust your throttle, you've got to adjust the pitch of the prop to help you slow down, and then you tuck right in. And Ken Reeder flies the lead again. Austin tucking in on his wing. They're going to make it nice and tight here as he slowly gets in and adjusted. And now the lead pilot flies the mission, looks where he's going, and the wing looks in at Dad's wing and not where he's going, trusting Dad. There and verbal, of course, coordination to say when to kick the rudder and get turned around, and again rejoining. As they're dropping down, the energy builds up, the speed increases, and it gets in windy conditions like this, a little gustier close to the coming back round. Follow the leader. As I mentioned, they built their own planes. In fact, Ken has built over 5 of these aircraft now. The Van's RB-8, two-seat tandem aircraft, extremely versatile. As of 2023, there were 11,000 Van aircraft flying worldwide. A third of them, the USA's experimental aircraft fleet, capable to speeds of up to about 230 miles an hour. They can land as slow as 55 miles an hour, enabling them to get around and land at just about any airport. They're comfy to fly in from airport to airport. They're a perfect airshow airplane, and they get 22 nautical MPG, 4-hour plus endurance before needing fuel, giving them 700 nautical miles. Get in nice and tight. The wingman watching Dad's wing. Ken calling out the commands as they lose the airspeed on the top. Do the barrel roll on that perfect blue sky. Doesn't that look amazing? Smoking thunder. Got the sun hat on today there, Bill. That's a wise choice down here in the Keys. Gas it up, and we'll see you back here this afternoon. Take skip snare on. Bill Brock, ladies and gentlemen. And now dropping in again from the right. Really tight. Ken and Austin Reeder. Redline Airshows. Out in front of you. They're going to crisscross inches apart and inspired to pursue aviation. And that's how it happens. And Austin, of course, inspired by his dad. Soloing a glider at 14, Howard plane at 16. Ken was his instructor and his flight lead. And they're going to send this from their family to yours. To the families here with us today, here's some love in the sky as they dedicate their heart to you. Photo pass, and you're going to see this a lot more. Look right now. Father controllers, those who design airplanes, maintain airplanes, the whole list of opportunities await you.